You know what ruins most people? Not their enemies, their friends. The same friend you trust with your plans is sometimes the same person who secretly feels jealous when you start doing better. Think about it. When you were struggling, everyone supported you. But the moment you started improving, earning more, getting attention, suddenly some people changed. They started giving advice that slowed you down. They stopped supporting you. They acted weird. And the scary part, you never saw it coming because you trusted them too much. Today, I'm going to tell you one brutal law that most people learn too late. Never put too much trust in friends. Learn how to use enemies. Before you think this sounds cold, stay till the end. Because once you understand this, you'll never look at people the same way again. Most of us make one big mistake. We trust people just because they are close to us, a school friend, a cousin, someone we grew up with. We think, if they're my friend, they'll always want the best for me. But real life doesn't work like that. Sometimes friends become too comfortable. They stop respecting you. They compare themselves to you. If you succeed, they feel small. If you grow, they feel left behind. And sometimes they don't betray you on purpose. They do it because of jealousy, ego, and insecurity. Think about how many people tell their business idea to a friend, and later that same friend copies it. How many people tell everyone their goals, and suddenly lose motivation because people laughed, doubted them, or spread it around. The problem is not that all friends are bad. The problem is trusting blindly. Blind trust is dangerous. This law says something powerful. Sometimes an enemy can be more useful than a friend. Why? Because an enemy has something to prove. If an enemy gets a chance to work with you, they often work harder, stay more loyal, and make fewer mistakes because they want to prove you wrong. But a friend often expects special treatment. They think, he's my friend, it doesn't matter. Imagine two people start a company. The first person hires his best friend because he trusts him. At first, everything is fun. They joke around. They don't take things seriously. Then the friend starts coming late, avoiding work. But because they're close, the owner says nothing. Months later, the business fails, and the friendship is gone too. Now, imagine another situation. A man hires someone he didn't even like before, someone who once competed against him. That person works harder, stays professional, brings results, and slowly, respect grows. That's the strange truth. Respect is stronger than comfort. A lot of people lose because they choose comfort. Smart people choose respect. So, what should you do? Stop telling everyone your plans. Move quietly. Let your results speak. Don't trust someone just because they are close to you. Watch their actions. Do they support you when you win, or only when you are struggling? Keep boundaries, especially with money, business, and big goals. And don't hate your enemies. Sometimes the people who challenge you teach you the most. Your enemies can make you sharper. Your friends can make you comfortable. And comfort is dangerous. So remember this: the biggest betrayal usually doesn't come from strangers. It comes from the people you trusted without thinking. Trust slowly, watch carefully, and never let emotions make decisions that can change your future. Because in life, it's not about who smiles at you. It's about who stays real when you start winning.